What a wonderful world.
Targets are up. Get to work.
That song is an amazing song, dude. Louis Armstrong fucking is an amazing singer. Like, dude, honestly. You're right up my alley. You're right up my alley. Here, I'm gonna grab that big dick bounty right now.
Bounty target identified. Gas is inbound.
We're gonna hop in that, then we're gonna push our bounty. Fuck.
Under fire!
No.
Okay, move. I'm going.
Yep. I really finessed the shit out of those guys, though.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
They're on that building.
Here I go.
It's the pussy boys, yes. Yeah, grab dead silence with me. Grab dead silence with me down here. Come down here. Grab this dead silence.
This is here if you need.
I'm gonna grab this RPG. So here, follow me, follow me. We're gonna sneak up on these guys. They're not gonna know we're there.
We've got a loadout drop inbound. Bounty target is down. Well done.
You will live. Come
Gas
with
is
me.
moving in. New safe zone located.
Yep, they're fucking garbage, aren't they? Be careful. Here, I'm gonna buy my shit. Here, I dropped an extra plate, I think. No, I didn't. Here, can you buy your own plates? It's alright. Okay.
There's a
I
care
won't go
package
for
here.
that, but
Got a vendor here if y'all need to restock.
okay,
UAV
okay,
entering the
okay.
AO.
We know where he's at. He's in.
Go
no,
there.
he's in that building.
They've stolen everything.
That
Left
building.
nothing on the trail.
There's two.
UAV bingo. RTV for resupply.
Tango spot.
Got them both down, dead. Shit, baby. That's the power. That's. Oh, this guy had a munitions
This is
box.
here if you
That's it. Maybe a UAV. Yeah, and plates. And there's an extra plate.
Body
right
on my
here.
here.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area.
Let's just move forward. Ever so carefully. Ammo if you need it.
This is here if you need.
Yeah. I'm chilling with my stuff right now. We're gonna know where the next zone
Recon
is.
intel secured. Solid work.
But we might as well just push up right now.
Inside the circle. Now.
Yeah. So if we load a little bit, we're gonna catch these guys. Get the directionality where that cluster got called in. Now we want to slow. Gotta fuck. Okay, so we gotta be the slowest ones here. The only way we're gonna be able to slow. So I would say start slowly pushing up. Watch the boxes.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is closing in.
Inside the circle. Now!
There.
Fucking dude.
Nice. Fuck. One down.
Okay, come on!
Tracking him.
Oh wait.
Enemy precision airstrike. Take cover.
No. No.
Gas is closing.
Contact!
10 remain.
Got it.
Nearly done.
We need to move! Get ready!
Got it. Just hold. Okay. Plate. So we're gonna have like a Jared. No. We're gonna have
Got
100
gas
people
moving in.
pushing to us right now.
We're in the circle. You said you all be coming.
Got gas inbound.
we have the
Safe zone
advantage.
relocated. Gas is closing in.
Inside the circle.
5 remain. Stay sharp.
Keep on pushing back, keep on pushing back, keep on pushing. Yeah. We're gonna spread. We're
Gas is closing
Y'all,
in.
we're way outside
go,
the
go,
zone.
go, go.
Get moving.
spread out for this.
Go for recon. Send the flyover.
No.
UAV entering the
No.
AO.
No. I died. I just died. I just fucking died. It's up to you.
I'm under fire!
Right.
Gas is closing in. Your team is KIA. It's up to you
Okay.
now.
It's two.
You're
It's you and
losing
another.
ground.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Stop.
It's an encounter. All eliminated.
Oh, baby. I like it. Like it.
Crazy.
GG's. 5 and 6. That's not bad at all. That's not bad. That's the third dub me and you have gotten together.